Hi guys, I'm Jan Kita, Senior Salesperson from Empire East. I would like to introduce guys our model unit for studio type. Meron tayo neto sa may Kasara along P. Antonio Street. Nearby naman po siya Chandesitas, and also we have in Paddington Place along Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City, and also and Pioneer Woodlands along Edsa Boni, Mandaluyong City. And also we have in Covent Garden Residences along Ramon Magsaysay Boulevard. Malapit rin po siya in Universityville. So, eto po yung studio type. Start po tayo dito sa may left side natin. Makikita natin yung upper and lower cabinet. And then the right side naman is also the lavatory. And then yung toilet bowl, and also once na ma-turn over sa inyo, meron na rin po siyang shower, rain type shower siya, and also we have a provision for washing machine. Ayun po yung mga kasama once na ma-turn over po siya. Standard finish na rin po. And then, eto naman po yung living area, and then also the bedroom. Pwede nyo siya lagyan ng division for privacy nyo na rin po. Pwede nyo rin po siya ipagaya once na kung gusto nyo po itong style ng unit design po, pwede naman po siya. Re-request lang din po sa office. And then, ayan po. So, yung studio type po natin is, ang sizes niya is meron tayo 23 square meter, 22, and then also we have a 24 size po for studio type. Ayan po, once na gusto nyo pong ma-avail yung studio type, meron tayong free selling. Ito po yung no spot down payment. You can reserve the unit for as low as 25,000. And start ng monthly po is nasa 17,000 monthly to 18,000. Ayan po. Pwede nyo ako i-message, ipa-flash ko na lang din sa screen yung contact details ko po. Thank you. God bless po.